ConvertKit or HubSpot Marketing Hub, two giants trusted by marketers and creators. One is built for simplicity, the other for unstoppable growth. Which one really delivers? On the left, ConvertKit, email marketing made simple for creators. And on the right, HubSpot Marketing Hub, the all-in-one marketing, sales, and CRM powerhouse. Let's skip the buzzwords and get straight to the real comparisons. We'll score each category so you know exactly which platform earns the crown by the end. The final winner may surprise you.
Here's what we're going to cover. We've got price, ease of use, features, CRM and sales integration, automation and workflow, integration ecosystem, and support and onboarding. Picture a mind map. All these categories branch out, and we'll see how ConvertKit stacks up against HubSpot Marketing Hub one by one.
So first up, price. Now, ConvertKit comes in strong with affordable and scalable plans. And get this, they've got a free tier that covers the basics if you're just starting out. But yeah, if you've got a monster email list, you'll need those higher tier plans. Switching gears to HubSpot, okay, they've got a free starter plan too, but once you start digging into those premium features, oh man, those prices climb fast, especially for small or mid-sized businesses. Plus, those add-ons, they'll sneak up on your budget if you're not careful. Bottom line, ConvertKit wins this round for keeping things wallet-friendly. Next, let's talk about ease of use. ConvertKit's got that minimalist vibe going. Super intuitive. You basically just jump in, get things done, and there's not really any confusing stuff. Some power users might wish it did a little more under the hood, but if you want something that's easy to pick up, it's awesome. HubSpot is a bit fancier, with a visually slick dashboard and tons of help resources, which is cool. But, and this is a thing, the sheer amount of features means there's a steeper learning curve. Honestly, if you're new, you might be spending more time just figuring stuff out. ConvertKit takes the win for user-friendliness. Okay, features. This is where things get spicy. ConvertKit. Great automation for emails, you've got tagging, landing pages, all tailored for content creators. But if you want in-depth CRM or crazy customization for templates, you'll find it a little basic. Now, with HubSpot Marketing Hub, you're basically playing in the big leagues. There's powerful automation, built-in CRM, advanced segmentation, analytics, social media tools, SEO, you name it. Honestly, it can feel like too much, especially if all you need is to send some emails. But if you love extra bells and whistles, HubSpot absolutely dominates features. Oh, and here's something cool. Did you know HubSpot's name actually echoes their flywheel approach to marketing, while ConvertKit was quite literally built by creators for creators. Bit of trivia for your next marketing nerd party. Moving on to CRM and sales integration. ConvertKit does play nice with a bunch of popular CRMs, including HubSpot's own, but it doesn't have a built-in CRM or native sales pipeline tools. Meanwhile, HubSpot basically invented the category here. Everything's native, you've got deal tracking, lead scoring, and a whole bunch of sales tools. If you're just sending newsletters, this is probably overkill. But if you're serious about tracking leads and closing deals, HubSpot hands down takes it. Let's look at automation and workflow. ConvertKit offers a visual builder that's super easy for mapping out simple audience journeys, the kinds of paths most creators or small businesses actually use. You're not going to be stacking up super complex flows here, but it's straightforward and clean. HubSpot, on the other hand, oh man, you get conditional logic, branching workflows, dynamic content. If you want to geek out over automation, this is the playground. Downside, it takes time to really get the hang of it. Still, HubSpot's got the edge for advanced automations. Now, integration ecosystem. ConvertKit is awesome if you're a creator. It connects to Shopify, Teachable, and all the usual suspects, but it kind of misses those big enterprise tools. HubSpot has this super extensive integration marketplace that covers pretty much every area. Marketing, sales, support. Managing it all could get kind of messy, but if you need to plug in a bunch of platforms, HubSpot wins by a mile. And finally, support and onboarding. Here's where things get interesting. ConvertKit's support is solid. Community forums, email support, and the docs are nice and tight, but no live chat, which is meh. HubSpot throws in live chat, phone support, and a huge knowledge base with tutorials. If you're on a lower plan, you might be hanging out waiting for replies, but overall, both have their strengths. I'm calling it a tie here.
You can see it.
ConvertKit really shines in simplicity and price, but HubSpot takes the lead in features, integrations, automation, and CRM. Honestly, both have their sweet spots, depending on what your team needs. So, if you're a creator or a small business who just wants straightforward, stress-free email marketing, ConvertKit's your friend. No contest. But if you're gunning for big-time growth, wanting advanced automations, killer analytics, and that integrated CRM magic, HubSpot Marketing Hub is the powerhouse you want to get your hands on. Ready to grow your audience or supercharge your funnel? Seriously, test drive ConvertKit or HubSpot now, whichever fits your vibe.